In this video, we are going to see how we can change the default page setup in Google Docs. So let's say we want to customize the margin settings and all other things. What you can do is just click on the file menu and click on page setup right at the bottom. Click on this. And it's your choice if you want to make the changes to a whole document or to a selected content or a page. You can do that. Let's make it for the whole document. Let's say you want to change the orientation from portrait to landscape. So you can change the landscape. Paper size, you can adjust it to A4 size or however you want, executive size, statement and all. But let's just keep it to letter. You can even change the page color if you want to. And you can adjust the side margins, the top margin, bottom and left margin. And also for all the future documents, you can make this as a default setting. So set to default, click OK, and you should be able to convert this page color and make all the changes. Let's make the page color white again. So basically that's how you can change all the default page setup in Google Docs. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.